Hi, Chad and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 266 Galloway Boulevard. This recently remodeled legal duplex boasts 3 bedrooms up, 2 down, and both units have in-suite laundry.
My favorite part about Midland is the purchase price is low, rents are high, and high ROI. Come take a peek. Whether you're a first-time investor or just looking to expand your investment portfolio, this is truly a turnkey package with tenants already in place.
Not to mention it's in a great location on a direct bus route. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.